So I'm leaving about 1 foot of the ribbon that is longer, and the rest 3 of them is shorter, and we're gonna just go ahead and tie a knot right around. We want to just leave a few of this on the end so we can tie the ribbon, and it has a little nice end tail. So we can just go ahead and tie this like a big knot tight. We have tied a knot. We have here is pink, purple, white. So we're gonna do counterclockwise, fold it down, and then we will fold the purple over the pink and the white over the purple, and then the purple over the white. And we're gonna to hold it with our thumb, hold down the purple. We're gonna pull the pink one up a little bit so we can slip the purple over the pink and creating like this. And then we're gonna just pull the purple all the way out. We have a very long ribbon here. Okay, so when we pull it out, we're gonna pull the pink down a little bit so we form this very pretty box. Okay, so we'll repeat the same thing. We will fold down the pink. We are doing counterclockwise. Pink over purple, and then we put the purple over the pink, white over purple, and purple over the white. Then pull the pink out a little bit, and we slip the purple under the pink, and we pull it out. Tuck it in nicely so we all form this nice box. We don't want the ribbon to be twisted. Then repeat. Counterclockwise over, fold it over, the next one over, and the next one to it, fold over, pull the pink one open a little bit, and then we'll pull the purple one up. Almost there. closer to the end now. Now for this part, we're getting short here, so might as well just close it in. So we can just pull this tighter, so it's like ending the square. See, getting just really just tighten up. And then we can just go ahead and tie a knot. Here we just tie this whole knot. And this area where we can trim, and we're done. And then we can tie this together with the two long one. See, we have this two very long ribbon here, and we can just make a nice ribbon bow. Okay, we're gonna tie this very tightly so it will not come off. And we can just make a nice ribbon on this. And this area, I'm just gonna to trim away some of them, and yeah, we're done with this. And this is the other one that we did the other time, so we have two of this.